need a green screen but don't have the space or can't afford one, then you need Personify Chromacam. This program will allow you to use your laptop webcam or any other webcam that you may have with a green screen effect. It's available for free to use forever with watermark, or you can buy the Chromacam Pro for a one-time fee of $30. Check it out in the description below.
Hey guys, welcome to Random Fandom, and in today's video I'm going to be covering a few cases that you can get for the Razer phone. So maybe this Christmas you're going to get a Razer phone, or maybe you're going to buy a Razer phone for someone else, and you don't want that investment getting broken just by dropping it on the ground on accident. So now I'm going to show you some of these cases, and links will be in the description to all these cases. They're on Amazon, and when you buy one of those cases, you'll also be able to support my channel. So first up, we have the Orsley case. These come in a variety of colors. I happen to have the brown, no, not the brown, I have the clear and the green case. Now the clear case isn't exactly like super clear, it's more of a frosted type of clear. And you can see my hand behind this case. You can see it has a frosted lip to it. And it's basically just a simple rubberized case that you can put your Razer phone in. And there you go, that's what it looks like. You can sort of see the Razer logo and my channel logo at the bottom of my phone. Yeah, I put a sticker there. Here's the phone without it. You can see the silver Razer logo, and you can see my logo there at the bottom. We also have the green one, which I have. It's out of the box, but here it is. It's just like the clear one, except from it's green. They provide pretty decent protection to your phone for minor drops and scratches. Now note that none of these cases will make this Razer phone waterproof. Now these cases are not for the Razer phone 2, they're for the Razer phone 1. Up next we have the AllttA case. Now there's a few different ones, and this one is the more ruggedized one. It has sort of a soft touch interior inside with a little pattern. Then it's also it's a two-part case. So there's the plastic part that goes onto the back. Now I put my logo on there as well. It's a vinyl sticker I made with a Cricut machine that my public library had. But with this case, it adds just a little bit more bulk than this case or the other clear case, but in turn you get more protection against drops. And this is the AllttA merge case. There will be links for it in the description below. And then next up we have the Razer case. It's the Razer. This case actually comes directly from Razer. It's the thin plastic one. This case I would not suggest getting. It's not covered on top or the bottom. Your phone basically just clips in there, and you can see my fingers sticking out at the top of the case. That's because there's no top portion. Same with the bottom. while it's basically only good for protecting your phone against scratches, basically on the back. Other than that, it feels like if you drop it, it will most certainly crack, and the phone might come out of it, and maybe it lands on the glass and it breaks your screen. So I would not suggest this case. If you want to get the Razer phone case, get the other one. I don't have the other one, so I can't say exactly how good it is compared to this one, but I'm pretty sure it's a lot better than this one. And then lastly, we have this case. It's another 2D case. It's their clear one, and it's very clear. As you can see, I have my hand behind it, and you can see my hand clearly. You can even see my face. Now this one is basically got like a plexiglass back on it, and so if you drop it, it won't shatter, but you may get scratches on it because it's plastic. However, it is very, very clear. There's a couple different ones of this you can get. You can get one that is all clear, or you can get the one like this one with the black edge. And I like this one because it keeps the phones look pretty much the same. Here it is, the phone inside the case. It looks pretty premium, actually. I would have to say that this phone gives the Razer Phone 1 that little more premium feel of the Razer Phone 2, which the Razer Phone 2 has the glass back. Well, here you get the pluses of both worlds. You get the durable aluminum construction, but you also get that shiny reflective back if you're into that sort of thing. Now the catch is, it is a fingerprint magnet. If I can get this all lined up with the light pretty well, you'll probably be able to see, you can see the smudges on there. It collects fingerprints really easy. Now, good thing is you can like wipe it off on your shirt or your pants, and it comes off pretty easily. So there you go. I wiped off most of the smudges. By far, this is probably my favorite case since it doesn't add much bulk to the phone, and it also preserves the original look. Meanwhile, also providing some protection against drops and scratches. Also, just in time for a holiday season, I have my merch that you can buy. There'll be links in the description for that. You can get different shirts, duffel bags, water bottles, and all sorts of stuff. And also I have my eBay listing still up for the $500 to $500 challenge where I tried to flip $5 into $500. And so I still have these nice, very soft, luxurious cotton shirts for sale. There will be links to that in the description, to my eBay at least. This posting links to 4 listings might not make as much sense, so I'll just give you the link for my general eBay account where you can find that stuff. So alright, thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and you'll be super awesome and get a free unicorn. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year and peace. Oh, one last thing. If you're getting someone a Razer phone for this Christmas, why not check out Unreal Mobile? You can get them a whole bunch of unlimited service for a really cheap price of just $10 a month. There'll be links in the description below.